How to remove background from video in Filmora. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove background from a video in Filmora. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Filmora in your device. After that, import the video that you want to remove the background from. Once you have imported your video, make sure to drag the video to your timeline. After that, click on the video on your timeline. Navigate to the top right corner and here you have to click on this video tab. Under video, you have an AI tool, so click on AI tools. Under AI tools, there is an option as smart cutout, so you can turn on this toggle right here. After that, click to start smart cutout. So click there. After that, you will have this kind of interface. Now as you can see, this kind of object is appeared in your video. Now with the help of this object, you have to select the object in your video. So click on it and drag and select the video or select the object. Once you're done, wait for a while and you will have this highlighted part. Then click on save. And there you go. Now the background has been removed. If you want to add a different background, then click on import media, select the background image from your device and then click on open. After that, you have to drag that background image just below this video and that image will be added as background image in your video on Filmora. So that's the way to remove background from video in Filmora, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.